How to convert PDF to Word using Google Drive. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the best method, and with this method you can convert any kind of PDF to Word. Like you can convert normal PDF, you can also convert the scanned PDF, and also you can convert the handwritten PDF to the Google Docs, to the Word with the Google Docs and Google Drive. Okay, so let's start with the video, guys. Okay, so first we need to come any browser. So I'm using Chrome, and just log in with your Google account or Gmail account. After you log in, just search for Google Drive here, or you can simply go to this option and just come down and you can see the Google Drive app. Just open it. The Google Drive will be open with your account, with your login account. Okay, so now what we need to do, just go to the new file upload. If you have existing file, PDF file in Google Drive, you can simply select from here, or you can upload file from your computer. Just go to the new, go to the file upload, select that file which you want to convert. Okay, so here it is uploaded. Now go to recent. Here you can see your recent file which you have uploaded. Now just right click on it, or you can simply double click on it. It will be view as a PDF. Now here you can see the open with Google Docs, or you can simply click on down arrow and select the Google Docs. Okay, so I just open with Google Docs here. So you can see file has been open in Google Docs, and it is convert in Google Docs. Let me change the margin. Okay, so all set. Now you can edit here because this is editable now. Okay, now what you need to go to the file, go to the download, and go to the as a Microsoft Word, and it is, you can see it is downloaded as a Word. So that is how you can convert your PDF to Word documents using Google Drive. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.